Hey everyone, two M14 rifle stocks here. The bottom one was made before 1963 or so, and the top one is after 63, 64 or so. The top one's called a Big Red stock. A little bit of a difference between the two. You can see on the end here, the wood comes below the metal here, not too much here. So the military had the original stocks, and they had a bad habit of cracking after a while. So they beefed up the stock a little bit and made it a little thicker, especially through the pistol grip here. But, well, not a pistol grip, but you can see the difference in the thickness. It's much thicker on a Big Red stock. The name Big Red was given by Fred's M14 stocks. He sold a ton of M14 stocks years ago, and Big Red was a bull that he owned, and that's how the name Big Red came about for these stocks. Most Big Red stocks are 90% birch, only about 10% are walnut. One thing about the Big Red stocks is most of them are replacement stocks, so they don't have the Department of Defense acceptance stamp here, or the it's a circle P in there somewhere. There it is. That shows that when this was on a rifle, that it went through they put a high pressure round through it to test it, and it passed. Big Red stocks are favored right now for target and match shooting because of the thicker grips. And it gives you a little more room when you're bedding in action. But I kind of still like the original. But it's so simple to swap these out. Why not have both? But these are a little piece of history. Who knows where this original stock has been? But Big Red stock, standard stock.